Hello everyone and welcome to part 4, and in this part we are going to add the first rock material. So I'll add in a principal base def node, then I'll hit Ctrl Shift T, then I'll choose my Snow 28. I'll download this from ambient CG. I'll select the displacement, the base color and the roughness, then I'll hit principled texture setup. Then like we did before, I'll add in a value node right here. I'll remove these two frames. Then I'll cut this socket right there. Then I'll preview this one and plug this one in there. First, the scaling is not correct, so I'll scale this thing up until I get something that I like. I'll put mine at 5, which is nice. Then now you can see there are some green things like there, so we don't like them, so we are going to remove them by using hue, saturation value node. Then I'll turn the saturation to 0.2, then even 0.1 of those values will do. You can turn this way down, but I'll leave it as this. Then I'll frame this thing like before, so I'll select everything, Ctrl J, then I'll call this rock 1, hit N, color, then I'll choose dark brown, then I'll turn the label size up like this. Then to remove overlapping with the image textures and the label, I'm going to add a reroute point, then I'll put it right there, then bring it up, then something like this is very great. So that's it for this part, and see you in the next part.